Hi, I'm Miss Jan at the Woodlands Children's Museum, and thank you for joining us today. We have a fun story to read, and Tommy wanted to join me to sing our story song. We're going to sing it a couple verses so you can sing along with us. Are you ready, Tommy? Okay, here we go. If you want to hear a story, stomp your feet. Are you stomping? Stomp at home. If you want to hear a story, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. Good job. If you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you want to hear a story, nod your head. Very good. If you want to hear a story, nod your head. If you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, if you want to hear a story, nod your head. Awesome job. Thank you, Tommy. Very good. Take a bow. Would you like to hear the story today? Okay. I'm going to let you sit right here. We're going to look in our treasure box. There we go. And see. Oh my goodness. This book is a real treasure. I bet you guys know who this is. Pete the cat. I love Pete the cat. Pete the cat visited us here last year at the museum for Children's Book Week. This Pete the cat book is Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes, written by Eric Litwin and created and illustrated by, that means the pictures are by, James Dean. Here we go. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? What color? Do you know? Red! Did Pete cry? Goodness no! He kept walking along and singing his song. And he said, everything is cool. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? What color, do you know? Blue! Did Pete cry? Goodness no! He kept walking along and singing his song. And he said, awesome! I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown! Did Pete cry? Goodness no! He kept walking along and singing his song. And he said, groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Now, what do you think he's drinking? I don't know if Pete drinks coffee. That could be hot cocoa, though. That's brown. Oh no, Pete stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? Can you tell? White! But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song, and he said, rock and roll. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Look at this, red and brown and blue and white. Keep singing your song because it's all good. That's really important to remember, don't you think? I love Beat the Cat. So thank you for joining me today. And until next time, keep a smile on your face and a story and a song in your heart, just like Pete the Cat. Bye-bye.